In this video, we are going to discuss healthcare directives. I'm Sarah Siedentopf. I'm an estate planning and probate attorney in Atlanta, Georgia. So, healthcare directives. They go by a lot of different names. Could be medical power of attorney. In Georgia, we call them the advanced directive for healthcare. A lot of times, living will. So, many different names, same animal. But the advanced directive for healthcare is the Georgia version. And it's very important to understand that this is different than a DNR. A DNR can only be ordered by a doctor. And so that is on a special type of paper put in your medical chart, and again, ordered by a doctor. It can't be done by an attorney, it can't be done by you yourself, it has to be the doctor's order. But the choices you make in your healthcare directive are probably going to say that you don't wish to be resuscitated if you're interested in a DNR. So they should dovetail. So in general, the advanced directive for healthcare is going to allow you to choose who should speak for you if you can't speak for yourself. You'll have the option to name a primary person and then secondary, third choice. You can add more people if you want to, but who should we call if you can't make your own decisions? Anytime you are awake and able to talk, you can make your own decisions unless you are, mentally impaired and not competent to make your decisions. But generally speaking, your healthcare agent is only going to be able to speak for you when you can't speak for yourself. And they're going to be able to do all of the things you could have done for yourself. Sign yourself in and out of the hospital, agree to medical care, say no to medical care, sign the hospital paperwork, all of that stuff. And you will have the option inside the advanced directive to make some choices about what things they can do. Is it okay if they authorize an autopsy? Is it okay if they donate your organs? Is it okay if they donate your body to science? So if you don't want some of these things, we can take those powers away from them. But then it moves into the really important stuff, what kind of treatment do you want? And there are two types of situations in which you might want less than full treatment. And this would be if you're in a coma and they can't wake you up. What do you want? Do you want to be on life support? If so, for how long? Or if you are dying of something that they cannot cure, in that situation, would you want them to resuscitate you? Those sorts of questions. And of course, because it is a form, we have some choose your options. So we have to make choices out of categories of, sort of like do everything for me, or, don't hook me up to a bunch of machines if you can't cure me, or, do these things but not other things. But then there's also a section where you can write in anything specific that you want. If you would like to be on a ventilator, but not for more than 14 days, you can put that in there. Additionally, in the advanced directive, you can choose who you would want to be your guardian if you needed a guardian. This space can be left blank. You don't have to choose a guardian, but it is an option to express that preference basically before you need it. But if you've got more questions about advanced directives, medical powers of attorney, I would love to hear from you, and please like or comment. Thanks.